What's going on, BG family? This is your backyard gardener. I'm on my way to pick up my bees. It is about 8:30 in the morning, Friday, and I'm gonna go out there, pick them up, bring them back, install them into the hive. I'm gonna try to get a little footage out there if I can. If not, I'll just bring the package back, put them into the hive, and get them all set up so they can get acclimated to their area. So let's go. So all of these are 3-pound packages?
Yes, they are. Approximately 10,000 bees in a box.
Wow. Okay.
But make sure she's released and not roaming around. If she's not, you can pull the other cork out, and that will direct release her right into the hive, and then she's good to go.
Okay. And she's marked. What color is her marking?
Blue.
Okay.
Yep. This year's color is blue.
Okay.
Do you have a feeder?
I'm getting a mason jar.
Okay. That will work. This can, the syrup that's in there, you can pop a hole in the end of it with your hive tool and dump it in your mason jar and use it. The ratio for mixing up sugar feed is 1-to-1, so you want a pound of water, a pound of sugar.
Okay.
I usually mix up 4 pounds at a time, but it's, I have a lot more to feed than you do. But
Right.
this is the ratio you want to use.
Okay.
If you use a thicker, you can go to 2-to-1, where it's 2 sugar, 1 water. It's not going to hurt them any because they're going to dry it in anyhow themselves. But that sugar water is what's going to encourage them to produce hot wax and build your comb for your hives.
Okay. Okay. So how long do you recommend me to keep them inside the brood before I add the top honey
I would wait till
frames?
they fill up or build out all the bottom frames before you start putting anything on. I would feed them probably at least 3 or 4 weeks.
Okay.
If they really don't keep taking it, because once there's enough natural sugars for them, they'll stop consuming the sugar water.
Okay.
But the whole time they're consuming it's because they're building foundation inside your frames.
Okay.
And that's what you want. You want all that foundation as much as you can give. Typically with new hives, I don't know, I feed 4, 5, 6 weeks. I mean, they will stop when they're done. When they don't want it no more and they got enough. And then watch when they get probably... Are you using a 10 frame or 8 frame?
10.
When they get 7, 8 frames filled up with wax, go ahead and put 1 super on.
Okay.
And then they'll start working on that as well. So if they don't actually build wax out on the end 2 frames, it's not critical. They'll start working their way up because they're going to get ready to start filling you up with some honey.
Okay. Okay, sounds good.
Any questions? Absolutely reach out. Don't hesitate. Call me, text me, whatever. It doesn't make me a difference.
Okay, I appreciate you. Thank you so much.
No problem.
Need some water? The rest of them will go in with the queen. And that's it.